Hey everyone, this is Aurelio and this is going to be a very quick video about GC+ 2.0 configurator. I'm going to show you all its menus and I'm going to talk about the new features of GC+ 2.0. So the first menu that we have is the sticks wizard. This allows us to configure everything about the sticks, so ranges, mapping and inversion, and it's very simple compared to what we had on GC+ 1.0. So let's dig into it by pressing A. The sticks wizard is going to take care of everything for you. All that you have to do is follow the directions on screen. First of all, move the left stick to the right and then into an anti-clockwise direction until a complete motion has been completed, and then release it. Once we are done with the left stick, we can go ahead and repeat the same procedure with the C stick as well. Now that we are done with the configuration of both sticks, we can actually go ahead and test it. We can move the sticks and check that they work as intended, and if they do, all that we have to do is press A to save the configuration, otherwise we can discard it by pressing B. Other settings can be found in the Misc settings menu. The dead zone radius allows us to configure the dead zone threshold to reduce drifting issues like in certain sticks, so it has to be configured specifically for your case. We have two dead zone modes. Scaled radial means that when the sticks go out of the dead zone radius, the board outputs a value ranging from 0 to the maximum range of the sticks, while in radial mode, it outputs a value ranging from the dead zone radius up to the maximum value. Triggers mode allows to configure how analog triggers are implemented. When choosing digital, tact switches must be connected between the L and R inputs and ground. This mode is useful when doing the dual tact mode or when using the dual action switches from our store. Analog mode instead must be selected when you want to use stock trigger sliders with your GC+. Finally, you can configure the rumble intensity. This can go from a maximum intensity of 127 down to 0, corresponding to disabling rumble. Once you're done, you can either save the configuration by pressing A or discard it by pressing B and go back to the main menu. The new configurator also includes a buttons test interface. Here you can test that everything works as it should, including buttons, triggers, and sticks. You can also test rumble by pressing A and B together. Then to go back, just press L and R. Finally, the last menu is the update one. Just go there and it will flash the new firmware from your drive into GC+ 2.0. The process takes just a few seconds and it's very straightforward. This is all for this video. If you have any questions, please ask us on the bit2build.net forums. Thanks for watching.